Welcome back to Clean Tech Talk. This is the brief on the used floor scrubber market. Businesses are buying secondhand scrubbers to fight labor shortages and cut costs by up to 60%. But navigating this high-stakes puzzle means dodging some serious hidden traps. First, buying cheap can easily become an expensive liability. You risk hidden mechanical failures and zero after-sales support. But the biggest trap? Battery degradation. Think of an aging scrubber battery like an old smartphone. It just drains instantly. Seriously, what good is a cheap machine if it dies halfway through cleaning your warehouse? Second, avoid those pitfalls by truly evaluating your needs so you don't buy blindly. You got to match the machine's size to your square footage, verify its runtime handles a full shift, and ensure brush pressure fits your specific floors. Remember, bigger isn't always better. A massive machine in a compact space is just as bad as a weak battery. Buying online? Always ask for real photos and detailed condition reports. Finally, hit the sweet spot between a risky used model and a pricey new one with refurbished machines. Take the Aiolith AF 2013 scrubber. It's a pristine zero-hour return, discounted from $36.99 to $2,299. It packs a high-capacity lithium battery guaranteeing 4 hours of runtime, backed by lifetime support and a warranty. A quick coffee break charge adds real runtime, totally curing that battery anxiety. Buying used doesn't have to mean inheriting someone else's problems, as long as you prioritize refurbished models with fresh batteries and solid warranties. And as a special thank you to our listeners, you can now enjoy 10% off your next purchase at Aiolith. Just use the promo code Aiolith2026 at checkout. That's AIOLITH 2026. Don't miss out.